Ever wondered how to make the perfect Moroccan Harira soup? Welcome to a journey into the heart of North African culinary tradition. Harira, a staple dish often served to break the fast during Ramadan, is a testament to the richness of Moroccan cuisine. With its complex flavors, it's a symphony of taste that warms the soul and nourishes the body. A medley of herbs, spices, and hearty ingredients, it's the epitome of comfort food with a Moroccan twist. Ready to discover the secret to this tasty and nutritious soup? Let's start with the ingredients. First things first, gather all the ingredients required. Let's start with the star of our soup, the lamb. You'll need a decent cut, preferably with a bit of bone in for added flavor. Next, we move on to our humble lentils, a crucial component to the soul of this soup. Chickpeas are next in line, lending their unique texture and taste to the mix. Now let's not forget about our vegetables, shall we? Fresh tomatoes are a must for that tangy punch. Celery and onions not only bring their flavors to the table but also provide a delightful crunch. Rounding off our ingredients list, we have a fragrant mix of herbs and spices. Coriander, turmeric, and cinnamon are some of the key players here. Each contributes a different note, making our Harira a symphony of flavors. Now that the ingredients are all set, it's time to dive into the cooking process. A well-prepared Harira soup starts with a well-executed process. Dive right in by browning your choice of meat. A robust lamb or beef lends itself well to the rich flavors of this soup. If you're going for a lighter version, chicken is a fantastic alternative. Now this isn't a race. Take your time to ensure the meat is evenly browned. This will enhance the depth of flavor in your soup. Once the meat is browned to your liking, set it aside. Now, in the same pot, add a splash of olive oil and sauté your onions and garlic until they're soft and fragrant. This is where the magic starts to happen. The fragrance of the onions and garlic mingling together will make your kitchen smell heavenly. Next, it's time to reintroduce the browned meat into the pot and start the process of building the soup base. Add in your lentils, chickpeas, finely chopped celery and carrots. Stir everything together so that the flavors start to marry each other. Now we're ready for the spices. Cumin, turmeric, and a dash of cinnamon are the stars here. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir in the spices, ensuring every ingredient in the pot gets a good coating. Once your kitchen is filled with the intoxicating aroma of the spices, it's time to add the tomatoes. Freshly diced ripe tomatoes work best, but canned ones will do just as fine. Stir them in until they break down and blend in with the rest of the ingredients. Finally, pour in enough water or stock to cover everything. Don't forget the handful of fresh coriander and parsley. It's these herbs that give Harira its distinct, refreshing taste. Now that everything is in the pot, give it a good stir. Lower the heat to a simmer and cover the pot. This is where patience comes in. Allow the soup to cook slowly, letting every ingredient release its flavor into the soup. This is the point where the soup starts to transform from a mix of individual ingredients into a harmonious blend of flavors. Once all the ingredients are combined, it's time to let the soup simmer to perfection. The aroma of the simmering soup should now be filling your kitchen. It's time to serve this culinary masterpiece, but not without a final flourish. Dish out the soup into bowls, ensuring a generous ladle of both broth and hearty ingredients. Now, to elevate this dish further, sprinkle a dash of fresh coriander over the top, a squeeze of lemon to provide a zesty contrast to the rich flavors. And there you have it, the perfect Moroccan Harira soup, ready to be savored. Let's do a quick recap of the steps for making the perfect Moroccan Harira soup. First, we started by gathering all the necessary ingredients. This included fresh vegetables, meat, lentils, chickpeas, and a variety of aromatic spices. Remember, the secret to an authentic Harira soup lies in the careful selection of fresh and quality ingredients. Next, we moved on to preparing the soup. We emphasized the importance of sautéing the onions and spices first to unlock their flavors. Then we added the meat, followed by the vegetables and pulses. We let them simmer, allowing the ingredients to meld together beautifully. Finally, we served the soup,